Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study biology for NEET from zero. Begin by thoroughly understanding the NEET syllabus, which outlines all essential topics. Next, master the NCERT textbooks completely, as they are your primary and most crucial resource. Finally, establish a consistent daily study schedule to build a strong foundation, dedicating at least 2 hours to biology each day. Once you have the basics, focus on conceptual clarity rather than just rote memorization. Really understand the why behind biological processes. Drawing diagrams and flowcharts for complex systems, like the human circulatory system, can greatly enhance your understanding. Practice actively recalling information without looking at your notes. This strengthens your memory and helps identify gaps in your knowledge effectively. Consistent practice is key to success. Make it a habit to solve a large number of multiple-choice questions every single day. After attempting questions, carefully analyze your incorrect answers to pinpoint your weak areas. This targeted approach allows you to improve efficiently. Also, regularly revise all previously studied topics to ensure long-term retention and prevent forgetting important details. For advanced retention, utilize flashcards for quick recall of important facts and definitions. A powerful technique is to teach concepts to others. Explaining topics aloud solidifies your own understanding. Finally, maintain a positive and focused mindset throughout your entire preparation journey. Believe in your ability to succeed and stay consistent with your efforts for the best results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.